So I'm here at the PPM office, guys, and in this video, we are gonna look at some electric equipment. Most of these big property maintenance companies like PPM's the biggest, but here where we are in Ontario, but a lot of them are starting to go electric, okay? And they haven't gone fully electric yet, but they are using electric equipment. And we are now gonna go in and take a look at some of their electric devices, brand new devices they just got today. And we're actually gonna power them up and take a look. We're actually gonna ride an electric mower. Very cool, stick around for that. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's go look at some cool machinery here at PPM. Let's get into the video. All right, so inside this trailer is a bunch of brand new electric property maintenance devices. Let's have a look inside the trailer. Wow, so Pristine is going green. Look at this. So look at that. Wow. So Pristine has just made a huge investment into electric equipment. So this machine here is electric?
Yeah, everything in here is fully electric.
Isn't that amazing, eh? So has anyone driven this yet?
Yeah, we drove it in. Yeah, and we have one already that we've been using.
That is nuts. Because we used to be able to do, I shouldn't say this on camera, but we used to be able to do wheelies and shit. Is it torquey?
Even more.
Even more torquey?
You could flip it.
You could flip it, eh?
You could flip the whole
That is so cool, dude. Wow. So PPM has just, you know, what people don't realize is that when you run a trimmer for half an hour, it emits more pollution than a car driving 100,000 kilometers.
Really?
And that's a statistic and a fact. They outlawed them in California. Wow. You can't even use gas trimmers there anymore because of that fact, right? So that's why PPM has gone and invested into this sort of equipment. Wow, that's really cool. Dude, I'd like to see one work, man. I guess they won't let you pull them out and try one, eh?
I think there's one inside too.
That's already in there and we can drive it around?
Yeah, so drive it around. So
guys, this is the time when these companies in general, you got to make a commitment to green energy. You can't be using fuel anymore, right? But a lot of people say, you know, a lot of people don't have the resources to do that, right? But the grandstands that we usually operate are gasoline. Oh, there it is. What? Oh, this is cool. So guys, if you click on the link down, right here, you'll see the gas power version of this. This is an electric version. Very cool. How do you start it?
You literally just, it's on. Just like that.
Look, can we pull it out and just have a look?
Absolutely.
Let's do it, man. John won't mind. Wow. Isn't that cool? That is amazing. So unbelievable, guys. This is an electric lawn implement that cuts lawns. It's an industrial version of one. Look at this Grandstand Revolution Toro. Amazing. I gotta try it. I gotta try. Maybe it's recording.
It's on full speed.
Okay, it's on full speed. It's torqueier, right? Unbelievable, dude. Look how fast it is. Do you know how long the charge will last?
It depends on the heat. Like if it's really hot out, sometimes it's not the greatest.
Really?
Normally it's good for it's really good for a whole day.
Because I wonder if they'll do good in the winter too. Because, like, you know, I was operating a machine in -18, right, with gas, and they always start, right? But that is cool. Okay, so is there any electric trimmers in here? Can we look at one operating, or?
All these are like, we have electric trimmers too, but it's, you know, we're switching to Toro, so.
Dude, that is so cool.
All the batteries are in here if you want to see.
Yeah, let's check that out. No way, bro. That's crazy.
Whatever.
So this is how it works. So Still has invented this technology here. I guess they've AP500. So there's the charging units. This is amazing. So they got it right to the 240 disconnect, you know what I mean? So it can run high amperage. Look at that thing. Because it's going to be so much quieter. You want? I mean, we can't work until 9 a.m. usually.
Number 500.
I wonder if they'll let us trim before 9 now, right?
You see that turn on? And
So, wow, that is cool. Okay, let me try it. Let me try it out. Try to get me in the shot. Look at the frame. So that's so it's not too. It's about this. Well, that's a little heavier.
yeah, it is a little heavier, especially at the
Little heavier, and okay. So you gotta.
You got it. Yeah,
Okay,
you turn
you gotta
it
go
on
like
first.
that,
Yeah.
and then it operates. Very quiet. Like, this is a game changer because we're not emitting pollution into the atmosphere anymore. This is game changing. We can now trim it in silence around people's properties. Everyone always complains about this loud noise, buzzing, you know, and it's like we can't trim until about 9 a.m. Now we can sneak in and no one will even hear us, right? Very cool. Has anyone trimmed with one of these yet?
We all have, yeah.
Yeah. And how long will the battery last for?
about an hour.
An hour and a bit.
So, on like a good weather day.
That's crazy because we get about, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 hours on a trimmer gas tank.
Yeah.
So this is an hour.
And you have a bunch of batteries in your truck, so.
Right, so that's not so bad, man.
Like, so that's full, and then once you
That is cool, dude.
All right.
So
Not going
then
half.
you can get more out of the battery if
Yeah.
you really needed to, right?
Yeah, you can bring it
Because
up.
there's times when we took down like whole fields, right? And it was like really thick brush. We had to bring in special equipment to do it. And the gas trimmers were like, did nothing. So that's amazing. See, this is what PPM's done. They've made a commitment to going green. It's obviously a very large company like this has the ability to invest in this sort of equipment. So what is PPM? PPM is a company that does a number of things, okay? And in this shop here, this is our Ajax location. We have a number of gear. Now we're just switching over into going from snow removal into summer operations. And as you can see, some of the equipment is gas powered, right? But guys, if the PPM has your needs covered, big time. Condominiums, industrial properties, residential neighborhoods. This is the company you want to hire to do your properties. They've been around forever. And so the number's listed on the screen. If you're interested in clicking on that link, which will direct us to your website. And of course, just phone that number. Someone will answer the phone and be willing to talk to you about your landscape needs. All right, so I'm here in the PPM office. This is where everyone works. And it's great. There's a really great bunch of people here. This company to me feels like, sort of like when you're a part of the company, you're kind of a part of the family. And this is the office. And John, the boss, is on a call right now. I was hoping to chat with him. This is the boardroom. And what a great space. I just love it here. So, what's in here? Isn't that cool? Oh man, I guess eventually everything will be electric, you know, and they'll try not to use petrochemicals to operate machinery in the future here. So hope you appreciate that look at some of this new technology. Isn't that interesting? Let's hit the like button and thank PPM for having us over here to look at their new gear, and make a comment down below. Tell me what you think. All right, so stick around. We're gonna take a look at some of the cool operations that PPM does. It is amazing. Some of the machinery they use. There's gonna be a solar panel installation video coming up. Oh, it's gonna be really cool. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more heavy diesel equipment and machinery videos.